Do you sometimes get slower internet even when you have data? Well, in this video, I will show you some quick settings that can instantly boost your browsing and download speed. No app needed. Without wasting my time, let's dive in. Step 1. Switch to the fastest network type. So, with your Android phone, let's go to our settings or network and internet settings. Then you choose your preferred network type. Either you're using MTN, Telecel, Vodafone, or any other network that you are using. Tap on it. Now scroll down and get to the preferred network type. So make sure that it is set to the highest network type. Mine is at the 4G auto. The highest one here is the 4G auto. The next point is change your APN. That's the access point name. So the same procedure. Let's select one of the network. Now scroll down till you see access point names. Now choose the first one, MTN Ghana. The name should be MTN Internet. So the first one should be MTN Internet. Now APN here should be Internet. The proxy and the port, leave it blank. Username blank. Password blank. Server also blank. MMSC blank. Then MMS proxy blank. Now head on to MCC. Dial 620 there. MNC 01. Now authentication type, leave it blank or set it to none. Then the APN type, need to type this default, SUPL, and the rest leave them like that. So head on to the upper right corner or click on save to save these settings. So the next thing you have to do is that reboot your phone and then go to this website, fast.com. fast.com. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the speed of my network after doing the settings, and this works for both Android and iOS. And that's how you boost your internet speed instantly on any network. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to TechGen Avenue for more smart tech tricks and mobile hacks.